These are the elevators at 100 North Tampa in Tampa, Florida. And check this TV screen out. So the garage elevators are 100% complete. The high-rise elevators are 95% complete. And then the mid-rise elevators are 0% complete, despite that they've obviously been started. We're going to ride the mid-rise. We already rode the high-rise, but check these out. So the touchscreen is basically just an up call button, and we've got elevator B. And I think I'm gonna send this one up. I kind of want to ride one of the few that's still original. So yeah, as you can see, these are some old Montgomery elevators, and they're being modded by ThyssenKrupp. I think someone called it. Or not. And then there you can see the work that they're doing on the other elevators. Let's get a cab view. Someone called it alright. 25, I think. Alright, as you can see, these are the mid-rise elevators at 100 Tampa. And these have only just started to be modernized. I didn't realize that the mod was so recent. In fact, look at that right there. We might have to take a different elevator down, but just look at that. That is interesting. And then here it's just it's just basically a call station. And that says TKE on it. We got this one. This one has a voice. And it actually has buttons. And these are new buttons. Alright, let's go to lobby. It's got the TV screen. And we're stopping at, I think, 22. No, 21.
21st floor, going down. Lobby level.